We have the scoreboard back, the famous scoreboard, and I believe we have a few new rules, Jax.
I forget them. But oh wait, there's a fish. Is it down there?
Alright, we have a prediction.
Yeah, prediction first.
What's the prediction?
Who's going to catch the first fish?
It
Cohen?
was you.
No, Cohen first, then me, then you, then Dad.
Yeah.
So, Coe, Mum, Jax, Dad.
Oh, what's the rules, Jax? New point system?
If you catch any jewfish, that's 2 points.
Yeah,
A squid,
any size, yeah.
1 or 2, it depends how much there are. Today. What else? Biggest fish is 2 points. That starts halfway through our trip. That's it. Because that's when that's when we started catching a lot of fish. No.
And bait fish count for me
Yeah.
as a point. Alright, let's go. Alright, first fish of the day. I reckon it's a stingray, banjo, shovelnose, flatty. That is a perfect start.
Oh, don't let him off. Quick, he's only just hanging on.
All on this table.
Told you, he was just hanging on.
He's a good size too. 50. That's my guess.
Alright,
He's a longie.
and guess what? Our prediction was wrong.
Yeah, I said that.
Mum caught the first fish. Oh, we have no whiteboard marker.
Oh, I'll get it, I'll get it. Right, Mama. 1. Oops.
The wonky one.
The wonky one.
Alright, let's get this guy out.
Ah! Not even funny.
Every power.
Oh? No, it's not even 50.
Oh, it's close. Oh, right on 50. Look at that. Right, that's great guesswork there, isn't it?
Yeah.
How good's that?
Good.
Alright. Put him in the bucket. Oh, he's on here. He didn't get the first fish, but could be second on the board here. Hopefully it's flatty. Good head, yeah, flatty.
Big one?
Little one.
No, it's off.
Oh no, he did.
That's right, still counts. We saw it. He was undersized anyway, so we were going to let him go. I'll give that one to you. Oh, we won. This one count for me because it's my fishing rod. Oh, bugger.
Big beast.
Oh, this is on a pilchard too. On an old pilchard that was refrozen. Any guesses? What do you reckon?
Flathead.
Flatty?
No. Because, no, flathead.
Flathead. Oh, bring it this way.
Got it.
Off?
Yeah.
We still saw it though.
What was it?
Flathead.
So it still counts. Alright, still saw Coey's fish, so he's on 2 now. He's got 2 flatties.
That might be on the board here.
No one's on.
And if Dad is on the board, that means our predictions are well and truly out today.
Yeah, imagine that, I get on before Jackson. Bloody hell. Oh, it's silver. Little tiny
Oh, tiny little Bream.
Oh, Haley,
hang on.
you're on.
Alright, we had to dump the camera because I was on. But let's mark Dad.
Go, Jax. Jackson trying to go for his first here. Bit of weight to it.
Yeah, I take a tarfish.
No.
Banjo.
Oh, yeah. Maybe a flatty.
Could be a big flatty, eh?
Yeah. I'm hoping it is.
Oh, look at it go.
Mum,
What?
have you been using this?
What?
That?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh no, mine's back here.
That one's mine.
They're running, look at that. Yeah, let him go. Oh wow.
Not too yet.
Lots of head shakes.
Maybe a big bream.
Bream run a bit more.
Yeah, Bream.
Oi!
Oh, you Dewey, 2 points. Jackson. Up he goes. Oh!
Yeah! I'm holding it.
Hey.
How big do you reckon?
Your
biggest?
50.
I hope it's more
I
than
reckon 50.
What was our biggest?
50.
65.
Yeah, 65.
Oh, he swallowed your hook too.
Dang it.
Hold that.
By the way, there's a boy flying. A really big one there.
Hook. There we go.
Yeah.
Let's quickly measure it and get it back.
Can I put my rod down? Yeah.
Oh, 51.
Yes!
Good
I
one.
got the new biggest. What do you mean? The biggest is 50. What's that yellow stuff in its mouth? Oh. Dad. Can we see it? Wait. Can we see what is in its mouth? Wait. See what's in
there
its
you
mouth.
Go, Jackson! Oh, does this count for me because it's my rod?
I see it.
Really?
Oh, hang on, let me bring my. Make sure we're not tangled here.
No. If we were tangled, we'd be losing line right now.
Yeah, I know, but I just don't want to get you.
Chloe, the number one netter. What's it feel like?
I think Dewey.
No, Jerry's would have head shakes.
Correct.
Oh,
Bream?
Yeah. Big brim or big snapper. Oh, here it is. Oh, Jewfish! Oh, Jewy!
That's another 2 points.
Where's that? I'm trying.
Oh, he's only just hooked on too. Yeah.
We're getting
Alright,
is
another
that the
Dewey.
same Jewfish?
2 points.
But for who?
It's a bit smaller this one. Probably
No, Dad. That's Dad.
45.
1-1. Dad?
no,
Oh.
that's Dad's because it's his rod and he was too busy helping to be able to get.
Can I unhook? Yeah.
Yep, I'm out.
Fine.
Oh, 46.
Mum's
Yeah,
on.
just short. 40,
Mum, are you on?
48.
Alright, I'm releasing it. Mum.
No,
Good one.
you win.
Alright, let him go. Alright, Jackson's on the board. So he gets 2 points for that Jewfish. And then he caught a second one on my rod, but he caught it, so he gets another 2 points for that. Jackson has run clear on this scoreboard, 4 points. Chloe 2, Mum 1, Dad 1.
Dad's on.
This feels heavy. It could be
Jewfish!
another Dewey. Yeah, you get them. Someone.
Oh, I got the net. Yeah, I got the net.
Let me move that way so my rod's out your way. If I'm not recording, it's gonna get cranky.
Fair
There
bit.
we go.
It's not like a monster, but it's very light rod. It's not really doing anything, eh?
Oh, daddy
Dad,
duck.
Mum, your rod as well.
Yes, folks. I bet that was my fish that I
Want me
just
to
lost.
hold it?
So technically it's my count. My points.
Yeah, this is our Gummy area.
See him yet, Jax?
No. I think he jumped. Now maybe just hook onto the fish and then you put it back down. Oh, there it is.
Oh, another Dewey.
No, Jew.
Little Joey.
You got it.
Okay, I think these 2 points per Dewey. Because Mum's losing big time.
Here's a little one. High 40s again.
I'll hook on for you. Did it swallow it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gone. I didn't need my foot. No.
YouTube.
Guys, get ready! Dad got another Jewfish. Yeah, another Jewfish. And that's 2 points to him. I'm gonna write that down now.
Yeah, but I gave the other one to you.
Yeah. Technically, the other one was
Come on,
his,
boy.
but
like this 2 points.
I get it because I'm cooler. Anyways, see ya. At the, no. See ya on the next day.
Jackson reckons he's on another Dewey, yeah?
Look at him. Look at his head shakes. There he is.
Oh, you got him up quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Need the net.
You should be able to just bring him up.
Sure.
Because see how it's hooked in pretty good?
Oh yeah.
He's
It
catching
full
on to
jumped
Mum.
onto me. Oh, the scream was so embarrassing. But I got a Jewfish. Why was he not this active in the water? That's 6 points to me now.
Okay. Alright.
Can I just put him into the water?
Yep, do a release. Off he goes. Another 2 points for Jackson. I don't know about this 2 point system, Jackson.
Oh, can we get rid of it from now? It in.
Alright, Jackson, another Dewey. So for today, 2 points. Yep.
Really? Oh, ever get Jewfish?
1, 2. So he's on 6, but he's really caught 3. He's on 6 points. Bonus points for Jewfish today. Was that on a pilchard?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Coaches are working today.
Yeah, they're not. Little Dewey.
Little Joey, is that 2 points?
Yay, mama.
Bring it up. Alrighty. 2 points. Bonus 2 points for a Joey today.
Yes.
Mum goes from 1
To 3.
to 3. Let's get that on. Mum's on 3. Alright, there we go. Nice little soapy. Probably 42, 43 I reckon.
How much?
41.
Have I caught?
Off you go, champ.
Stay here.
Tighten a little bit.
Ew.
Alright, we've got a bit of weight behind this one. We literally just stopped here change spots. Jax, get up there. You gotta get it first go, alright?
Yeah. He's already ready. Get ready.
It's not fighting? No head shakes?
No, I think this is a banjo or a sticky or something.
Shovelnose?
Maybe. Let's see.
Might be a banjo. Or it's a big.
It's taking a while, eh? What colour? Hopefully silver.
Oh, here.
What is it?
Oh, hold on. Oh, that's a big Dewey.
Oh yeah.
Huge. That's a Trevally.
That's
Dewey.
Dewey.
Yo.
No, get it. Wait, just relax. Jax, you gotta get this.
Yeah. Yeah! What is it? Mackerel.
Let's have a look. Not a mackerel.
Tuna?
Is that tuna?
Yes! Feel
Tuna or
it. You have
bonito?
to feel it.
Shiny, isn't
Oh, so slippery.
Yeah, I know.
It's slippery, but not slippery. Best choice
Oh yeah. Put it up.
I'm
These are
pretty
good
sure
ones.
these have razor sharp gills. Do they?
Nice. Let's go, Chloe. Is there weight or not?
Yeah, well, it's fine. Oh!
What is it? Oh, you got two. Oh yeah, 'cause you got the bait rig. Just bring them up, reel it up. Watch the. Yep, that's it. That's it. Just bring it up. Hey, Trevallies. Good. Two Trevallies. Nice one, bro. Alright, just stay there. Alright, so we've had a little bit of an accident here with the bait rig. We've got a little bait hook through Jackson's pinky here. Probably just see it in there, it's band-aided up. So it's got a tiny barb on it, so we don't want to just pull it out. So we're going to head off to the doctor, get it numbed and taken out nice and safely. Yeah, Jax?
Yeah.
Let's go. Lucky I moved there, eh?
My rod almost just went down. Yeah, because I need one of those.
Alright, let's go, Jackson. Bit of weight here again. Hopefully it's another bonito, eh?
Yeah.
First time for everything.
I think it's a Dewey. There's hedge.
Yeah, go Chloe. First go, alright, up and under. It's taking a while, huh?
Because my other hand is tired. Okay, no, this hand's tired. Oh, there it is. There he is.
Ah, stingray.
Banjo. No.
Banjo.
Shovelnose. Banjo. Mom, where are you getting stingray from? Stingray. It's a banjo. It's a banjo. Yeah, banjo. Dang it. I almost lost my rod for nothing.
Alright, she's on. We've lost track of the points, I think. I know they're there. Mum's had 5 added on. So she got 5 points for a new species. We caught the bonito, fish we've never caught before.
Baby? Baby.
Trevi. Jackson's best mate.
Wait, how big do Trevallies have to be?
30.
30? This looks like a keeper.
I reckon Chloe can get that. get the hook.
He has to go back.
So we're going to release this trevally. Off he goes.
Go, Mark, one.
Deserve a big one.
No.
Let's go.
Come on, I got finger with a hook.
Jackson on something with a bit of weight here with a hook through his finger. And he's still going. Probably an ED visit. Oh, Jackson. Yeah.
Oh, floody. Ah, came undone.
It's alright. You reckon you can keep going or you'll move?
Yeah, I'll keep
Oh, there goes his band-aid. Bit of burley in the Hawkesbury. Go, Jackson. Plenty of weight on that.
I just did.
Oh,
Oh, the other one.
oh, Hayley, hold that.
I can get it, Dad. I can
Got
get
it.
Dad, let me get it.
We're not close enough.
What happened?
That rod just went off.
Oh.
Is
Oh,
it
it's all
off?
happening.
Hey,
Oh, there's this little guy fluffing around on the boat. Chloe's up the front. He's on. Jax is on.
Bloody here.
Mum's on now.
Bro, that's big. Poor Jackson.
maybe.
Oh.
No head shakes.
No. There was head shakes. This one has head shakes.
Oh.
Here, Brenda, you're closer to both of them.
Oh, I got the net.
Oh. He's in it.
Do you see anything?
Not yet. I can't see Chloe. Dad's back there.
Bloody down here.
Bloody on the floor, yep.
This keeps on going in deeper.
I'm just gonna let go of this flatty.
Oh, I see it.
Oh,
Oh, oh.
oh, keep fishing.
Bring him up, bring him up, bring him up.
Keep fishing.
Yeah, just
What are you
go over
doing?
your rod and go, he's here. He ain't coming.
What is it?
Oh, it's a big stinger.
Ah,
Oh, that's huge.
Hang on. Banjo.
another banjo.
Of course it is, man. It's just depressing.
Hey,
This
it's
will
better
happen
than
also.
nothing, right?
Yeah, but I lost my band-aid because
I
of it.
know. There's the hook, guys.
You just forgot about me, right?
Oh, no, I'm still going. Relax.
Oh!
What is it?
Banjo.
Oh,
Shovelnose.
Banjo
There we
City.
go.
It's a shovelnose.
Shovel
Banjo.
nose. Banjo.
Chloe's on a shovel nose here. Yeah, bring your rod across. There you go. Now wind it in. Right, one sec, just gonna get rid of this first. Alright.
Bird.
Alright, there's Chloe's shovel nose. That was on a yucca strip.
Hey, man, it's still a little bit earlier. It's another spot.
Alright, stop playing that. There you go.
Oh, that seat's wet now.
That's fine, okay.
Its teeth.
Let it go. There she goes. Alright, she's on. She's on. Chloe, get the net ready.
Oh, you have so much room.
get it.
That's a lemon shark.
Gummy.
Gummy shark.
Go, go, go.
Up, up, up.
Mom!
Quick, quick, quick. Go down.
Yeah.
Bring it.
Yeah, hold it from the bottom.
Yeah!
That's what I didn't want it to do.
Alright, leave it. Yeah.
My croc!
Alright, hold that.
It can't bite you from
Don't, Chloe.
Wait, are we able to take them?
I think it's a gum.
Yeah,
You can eat it, yeah, for sure.
Yes! Can we?
Hang on, I'm dropping my rod. I'm dropping my
Dad,
rod.
Steve over
If
here.
you don't want it to bite you, you have to hold it
Yeah, I am.
from the start of the tail. He's energetic. I like that energetic.
Jack's move out the way.
What do I do?
I don't know.
Oh, it got hooked in its finger.
Let me
No,
get
I
the
didn't.
hook first.
Oh, that's really hooked.
Any teeth?
No, wait. It doesn't have any teeth.
Gummy. Sure, it's a gummy.
Yeah, it's definitely a gummy. I don't think it has teeth. Yummy.
I'm not
Show me
willing
that.
to find out, to be fair.
Take the rod, Chloe or Jax. Hang on, let me get that.
I don't want to risk getting caught.
All bitter.
Yo, it's full on bented.
Oh, that's another 5 points for Mum.
Yeah. 10 points. Mom, I mean, Dad, could I hold it? Could I hold it?
Yeah, hang on.
Yes! Look at him.
I'm just going to leave it out so it dies. Okay?
No, no, no.
Hold it tight.
Jesus
Hold it
Christ.
tight.
Oh,
Okay, Dad,
I
let
don't
go.
have a camera.
Let go.
Alright,
Hang on, hang on,
I'm
hang on.
looking for my phone.
Where's my phone?
Way over.
Hold it tight, Chloe. And
Yeah.
if it comes around to you, don't let go. Ready?
Cheese. Oh my lord.
Have we got a video?
Stop.
Wow. We got flake for dinner.
Yay!
Watch your hands, Chloe.
We might need some. Make it not face me because I have a feeling you're gonna call it. I already got
Oh,
Alright, so just measuring up the gummy shark. Looks like he's 90 centimeters, pretty much spot on. Looking forward to eating this guy.
Yeah, it's a whole family.
Hold up.
Alright, we're here.
Alright, so we're just preparing this gummy shark to take home. So we've chopped the head off. We've cut under the belly to get all the guts out. A little bit of good burley here. We'll just take all that out.
Can you use a piece for bait? Come on. I'm sure. I don't
Use
know
it
how you
as-
put your hand in there.
That's alright, let's use it as burley instead. There we go.
Can you open it? That's cool. Look at that flesh.
Look at that flesh.
Yummy.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Alright, we'll get rid of that as well, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Some nice flesh there. 90 centimetre gummy.
Yummy. Goodbye.
Oh, she's on again. Can she go for a third new species?
Big Bream? No, that's a
Trevally.
Trevally. Good Trevally.
Jackson's best mate.
No. I don't like
Bring it up.
oh, he's in your line.
That's the culprit of
Got him.
Alright, we're on. We're on. She's recovering after a gummy shark. She's caught 2 new species today.
Oh.
And this one definitely isn't a new species. Shovelnose. I reckon you can get that one off. Jax doesn't want another hook through his finger.
Hello, what's a hook between friends?
Alright. With pliers. There's pliers, yep. Oh wow, that's a good party trick. Swimming upside down.
Washing my toes.
Do you do upside down?
Let's update this scorecard. It's a bit all over the place, but I'm pretty sure we've got a clear winner here. So, Mum, 3, 4, 5. She got another new species with that Gummy Shark, so she's going to be up 12 or 13 points. I'm on 3. I'm sure I'm on more than that. Probably on 5. Jaxie's on 6, but that was the 3 Jewies. Have you caught anything after the 3 Jewies? Yeah, she got a Trevally too, so we'll give her another one. Jax, what else you caught besides the 3 Jewies?
I caught like a decent amount of 5 fish.
Oh, jeez. Alright, bit all over the place, but Mum's a winner. Clear winner. Alright, just as we're about to leave, we're on again. She's having a field day.
Hoping it is a flat.
Give us another shark.
Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, stingray. Shovelnose.
Much of a fight.
Awkward, Jack. Remember what happened with one?
Bugger off. Probably the same one.
Shovelnose?
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
That does not matter. What matters is that I get my finger